Alright, what's going on, you guys? I got a video for you right now. Haven't been able to find a video yet on how to remove these valence bolts from the bottom of my 2015 Camaro, but I just figured out how I'm going to do it with a hammer. So, all we're going to do is, I guess let me first show you. These screws here have no way for me to put a flathead or a Phillips head in them. So what I'm having to do is lock the hammer around the bait, around the head of it. And kind of just keep going at it until I can get the base of it to pop off. And don't be surprised if this doesn't come off anytime soon. But if you try it a few times, it'll come off. Alright. So I got that piece off. And what you're going to see is the piece looks like that. All you're going to do is, if you can't push it with your finger without hurting your finger, just take the hammer to it. And just let the hammer force it out. Because hypothetically, these pieces should be going in the same direction upwards into the car. So there we go. Basically, that's how you remove those pieces. Now, I do recommend having some bolts on standby. I just got tired of trying to use zip ties to hold my strip up, because as you can see, it's actually started to make it look worse. So, I'm not a mechanic, just a guy looking for a cheap fix. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment below. Like and subscribe to the video if this helped you any. Thanks.